In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can cancel your unprofitable trades inside Pocket Option. So as you can see, this is an account of one of my VIP copy trader, and today he messaged me by showing this screenshot. Okay, some of your trades resulted into loss. You can cancel unprofitable trades by activating the risk-free bonus for from the market. So this is the exact thing that I'm going to show you how you can do it in your account if you meet the requirement. Okay, so watch this video very carefully because it is going to be extremely helpful for you, and maybe you also have this kind of risk-free bonus where you can cancel your unprofitable trades like this. Okay, so keep on watching very carefully. So first thing what you need to do is, if you also see this kind of message in your account, okay, either in mobile phone or desktop, or even if you don't have got that message, then also what you can do is you can simply come to this finance, okay, and then click on this history, okay, and you'll see you'll be in this kind of history. Okay, here you will be, okay, and just click on this cashback. Now you have nothing at here, but what you can do is just click on this buy it now. Okay, and once you click on it, then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Okay, just scroll below, and here you can see there are few gems. These red color gems are 53, 13 blue gems, and green 7 gems, right? And if you are not seeing any gems at here, then what you can do is you just click on this markets, okay, and click on this social rewards, and you will see this kind of interface. Just click on collect all gems and then click on market, and again you will reach to this exact place. Now you can see here, if you scroll below from here, okay, you can see lots of promo codes, bonus to balance, risk free. So as you can see, the message was for risk free, right? So that's why I'm going to show you about this risk free. So here is a $10 amount that you can cancel this trade, okay, if you have made loss. So I have already shown you have made some loss. Okay, so now how much this costs? It costs gems, this red 3 red gems, 3 blue gems, and 4 green gems. It will cost him to cancel this $10 trade. Similarly, if you scroll below, you can cancel up to $1,000 also, okay, but you need to collect these kind of gems. Now these kind of gems are collected once you start to make trade. Okay, you can keep on achieving these gems while you keep on trading with Pocket Option. Okay, and if you don't have account on Pocket Option, then I'll leave a link in the description of this YouTube video. That will be the official link of Pocket Option. You can join it. Okay, now to purchase these gems, you simply need to click on this purchase, and then you'll see this kind of dialog box. You just click on confirm, and it says cancel lost trade $10 has been successfully purchased. Now just scroll below, and you can see in purchase, just click on there. Now here you can see cancel lost trade $10, just click on activate. So now this kind of dialog box appear, and you can see you can cancel lost trade with trade amount up to $10. Just click on confirm. Now you can see your trading history at here. Okay, you can simply cancel any of this trade. Okay, just click on this cancel, and then it says the lost trade cancellation request has been successfully accepted, and here you can see $10 is added to your main balance. It's as simple as this.